Multiplication and division. They look like a strict order, but they are not. And this is where a lot of people go wrong. You already know BODMAS. Brackets, orders, then division and multiplication. But here is the part most people misunderstand. Division and multiplication are equal, neither comes before the other, they share the same level of importance. So how do you decide which one to do first? Simple. You work from left to right. Whatever comes first in the problem, you do that first. Let's look at this. 20 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. Start from the left. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Then multiply. 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. Now watch what happens if you go the wrong way. If you multiply first, 4 times 2 equals 8. Then divide. 20 divided by 8 equals 2.5. Different answer. Wrong answer. Order matters. If there is only one operation, it is simple. Just do it. 6 times 4 equals 24. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. No conflict. Just solve it. A very common mistake. Thinking multiplication always comes before division. It does not. Left to right decides. Every time. Now let's bring it all together. Brackets first. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then left to right. 5 times 4 equals 20. Then divide. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. Here is the rule to remember. Multiplication and division are equal. Neither is more important. When they appear together, work left to right. Simply said, multiplication and division are equal. Left to right decides the order. Next we look at addition and subtraction. The same rule applies. Left to right.